Oh, hello everybody. I'm Daniela Sousa and I'm here at the Urban Sketchers 2018 Symposium on Porto. We are right now in the Simon Capetti, workshop, and so we just crossed the river, the Douro River, in the boat, and we are right now walking to the place where the workshop will be. Hi. I'm sorry. Do you want to tell us your name?
My name is MP Morn, and I am from the US, but I live in Switzerland.
Okay, is this your first symposium?
Yes, it is my first symposium.
And are you enjoying so far?
I'm enjoying it very much. Thank you.
Okay. Will you, if you have the chance, next year, will you come to the next one?
Yes, of course.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So, Simon was just talking a little bit before we came here, but just let me talk to someone else because we didn't start drawing yet. So, please turn the camera vertically. Okay, I can't. Hi.
Hello.
Sorry. So, I'm doing this video, this live to USk Facebook account. And what's your name, please?
Morris. I'm from Canada.
Okay. And this is your first symposium.
Second one.
Second one. Which was the first?
And I went to Chicago last year also.
Okay. And what you think of how it's been so far in relation with the Chicago one?
Well, it's quite different. The city is obviously different, so you draw different kinds of architecture. I did a really good course yesterday with Paul Heaston, so we were looking at perspective. That was really interesting.
Okay, have you been to a sketch walk yet?
Sketch walk? Yes, the first day, the big one.
Okay. Yeah. And are you liking?
It's fun. It's really good. Yeah. Yeah.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome.
Okay, I've seen comments of me to flick the camera. I can't do that, so sorry. Everybody, sorry. Okay, sorry. Hi.
Hi, hello.
Can you tell us your name, please?
I'm Joanna. Hello.
Okay, and what's your role here?
I'm a volunteer in the symposium.
And is your first symposium?
Yes, it is. I've never been even related to the urban sketchers, but it's a pleasure. I like drawing, so it's been a good experience.
Okay, and what do you think about our as urban sketchers, our manifest of drawing and sketching in situ?
I think it's so much more interesting. It's an opportunity to travel too. I don't know. It's for me at least. It's addicting. It's entertaining. I don't know.
Okay, so my 5 minutes are over now, and next we'll have, I think, Christiana at like in 10 minutes, I guess, doing another live. So please stay around and watch it. Thank you so much. Bye.